السلام عليكم أصحابتي وين سلامي isku soo noqod wanaagsan mar kale soo dhawaada asxaabta sidaan balan idin kaga qaaday masaad la socotaan barnaamijyada maalmahan ee saas isku hayaan aad iyo aad mar walba waxa diyaar u nahay teamkan hadaan nahay team G hadaan nahay waxa diyaar u nahay mar walba inaan idin raali gelin mar walba barnaamijka xiisa badan inaan idin soo dayno barnaamijka caawa waxaan is iri maxaad samaysaa kadib waxay ugu soo dhacay fanaaniin badan dhalinyaro badan oo caana laakiin finally waxaan rabaa inaan Iidle aan ku nasiibsado Iidle inaan wacaan rabaa saacadan oo kalena mastri waa la helaa insha Allah duu la yiraahdo Iidle rabaa inaan maartay barnaamij aan ka duubo waliba waan si sheegay tii hore idin sheegay laga tago waa idin sheegaya Iidle waxaan rabaa inaan ka duubo barnaamij rabaa inaan ka duubo sidoo kalena qofka markay baraanka laga duubayo meelaha uu ka jilicsan yahay iyo meelaha weakness-ka laga galaa ma fahanteen aad iyo aad waxaan rabaa Iidle inaan waco bal sidoo maartay arimahaasi iyo barnaamijyada aan rabo inaan ka dhaadhiciyo idinkana sidoo kale way idin xiisa gelin doontaa insha Allah duu la yiraahdo Iidle wuxuu rabo hadduu ka hanaaqay hadii kale u taala aad iyo aad waan wacina markaa laakiin sidoo kale waxa idinka ilaaway barnaamijka waxa idinka ilaaway aniga codkaygu ugu yaqaana Iidle waan soo wada cishnay hal meel soo wada ruumida ahayn waqti badan soo wada qaaday magaalada in badan wada joog dhowr iyo 15 sano aysan ka badneen codkaygu ugu yaqaana wiil askari ila joogo oo barnaamijka sidoo kale ii fududeynayo wuxuu ka cudur daatay yarkaasi wajigiisa in la arko laakiin codkii Iidle wax soo dhan arki doonaa insha Allah duu leeyahay kaamirada naas ku taagan yahay aniguna way kana
The number you're trying to reach is currently busy. Please hold or call back later. Safaricom is for you.
Hello, habari yako?
Mzuri sana.
Mimi naitwa Joseph Muigai Kiarie.
Naitwa
Joseph Muigai Kiarie.
Bro, English kwa no?
My name is Joseph Muigai Kiarie.
Joseph?
Yes.
Hi.
I am an investigation officer from DCI headquarters, Kiambu.
DCI Kiambu?
Yes.
Bro, are you crazy?
No.
Why?
I am calling you regarding an issue you have done last night.
Bro?
Yes.
DCI, I don't know, bro, because...
Damn! DCI is the Department of Criminal Investigation in the Republic of Kenya. I am calling you in regards to a case last night. You have done what is called hit and run.
Huh?
You have hit someone last night and then you have run.
Bro.
Yes.
Me? Home out, no. Because job, it's okay, out like no job, I'm sleeping house.
No, last night at around 12:05 p.m. You have hit someone along Forest Road. And then the case was brought to us this morning in our office. I was assigned to investigate the issue. I went to traffic headquarters and inquired the CCTV camera. The footage is clearly showing that you are the one who hit that person last night.
Okay.
And then you ran away.
Bro.
Yes.
Me, not Iidle. Abdurrahman Abdullahi, my name is okay?
Yes.
So
I have looked the registration of the car and then it is registered with your number and your name, your full name.
Bro.
And then
the car number, yes.
Yes. Listen, Abdullahi. I want you to come to DCI headquarters tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. in the morning.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Bro, tomorrow I'm sick.
Wait a minute. First of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
I want you to come, my friend. Even if you are sick, you have hit someone is in critical condition. That person has been taken to our Khan hospital last night, is in critical condition. Currently, the person is in ICU, and you are the one who hit him. So I want you to come to DCI headquarters tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Or you want me to come for you? You know, I even have your pin location right now. I know you are in your house.
So what be DCI office?
DCI is along Kiambu Road.
Kiambu Road.
Yes. Before you reach Kiambu, you can come to our office, and then once you reach DCI headquarters at 8:30, ask for Joseph Muigai Kiarie, and then you will come to me. I will take your fingerprints, and then I will take you to court.
Brother, listen to me.
Yes.
Me, Mototo house.
My friend.
So, wait.
The CCTV camera footage is clearly showing that you are the one who hit.
So
or you want me to come for you right now? Do you know that I can get you?
No, CCTV camera me.
Yes, the CCTV camera is showing. I've taken this morning the CCTV camera from traffic headquarters.
Bro, no mira, no
Kijana.
No.
Kijana, mimi nakuongelesha very serious. Naona uko na mchezo. Unataka sahi nikuje kwako nikuchukue sahi? Do you want me to come for you right now?
No.
Do you think that I can miss you right now?
No.
Can I tell you how many places you have gone today?
Bro, listen to me.
I have been with you the whole day.
Cool down.
Yes.
So tomorrow I am sick, bro.
Even if you are sick,
I'm diabetic, okay?
Stop it. Get some help.
If you cannot come, I will come for you. Nitakukujia mimi mwenyewe. Kukujia wewe, it's not an issue for me. I can even come and pick you right now.
No, adugiga batwani wallah.
Mr. Abdullahi.
Yes, brother.
You have a case to answer. Please come to our office tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Failure to which...
This man is a broker. How many names did he have? Iidle or Abdullahi? How many names?
The official name is showing Abdullahi, but I'm told his nickname is Iidle. I know all his information. I have done enough investigation. I have clear evidence to take you to court. And my friend, I'm giving you an allowance of until tomorrow 8:30 a.m. Failure to which I will prosecute you.
Wallahi.
My friend, Kenya hii ni ndogo, hakuna mahali unaweza jificha. Enda mahali unataka, tuko kila mahali. Hata ukienda airport, sisi tuko hapo.
Airport Jomo Kenyatta.
Hata ukienda wapi, sisi tuko kila mahali. Tunakufuata tu.
Allah, Somali hawa iskumu Quran. Listen to me, brother. Tomorrow, what time?
8:30 a.m. in the morning.
8:30
a.m. in the morning. 8:30 in the morning.
No, bro. Morning like.
What do you do, my friend? Can I ask you?
I'm diabetic. Sugar.
What is your occupation? What do you do? What is your job?
Me job is musician only.
If you're a musician, is that can give you the leeway to hit people and run? Do musicians hit people and run?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Yes.
Okay. That is what the musicians do. Wanagonga watu na wanatoroka sio?
Bro, listen to me. So the video start and Iidle Yare song So, okay. You see, bro, why? I mean, not the people's
Umegonga mtu na umetoroka. You have a case to answer. Come to DCI headquarters for more investigation and prosecution, please. Failure to which we will take action and will come for you.
Bro.
I am a national investigation officer.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
Oh, okay, brother. Wait. Me, father and mother. Only me. So, and
Listen. You have to listen what I'm telling you, or else you are putting yourself into more problems and troubles. Unajiletea shida ukiargue na mimi. Nimekwambia kuja na that's it. Na usinipotezee time yangu. Kesho 2:30 asubuhi kuja kwa DCI headquarters. Wacha kunipotezea time.
Okay, bro. Now I'm coming, so I talk to you.
Sorry?
Now, come
Yes.
on, house.
Come.
So talk to him, me and you only.
Which house?
432.
Okay, I'm coming for your arrest. Prepare yourself.
Like only you, yeah? Only me.
No, I'm
You.
coming with a team of investigation officers and we are coming to arrest you. Tunakuja kukufunga saa hii. Utalala huko kwetu, kesho asubuhi tuanze investigation.
Brother.
Yes.
Somali, Profiani, what? Brother of me, wallahi, not that me, not car.
Sawa, wacha nikukujie saa hii.
No car, like
Sawa.
now, no car, because no job, no, so guy, for
Sawa, najua nyumba yako, wacha nikuje nikushike saa hii, nikufunge. Ulale ndani, tuanze investigation. Sawa? Ongea na watoto wako, waambie someone who is coming to arrest me. We are coming for your arrest. Tunakuja kukufunga saa hii. Sawa?
No, say tomorrow.
Hapana, hata hiyo tomorrow saa hii nimewachana nayo venye unaongea, nakuja kukufunga saa hii. Saa hii nakuja kwako. Unasema nini?
What
are you saying? Sielewi hiyo lugha unasemaje? Hello?
Hello.
Jitayarishe tunakuja kukufunga saa hii. Saa hii.
It's not good because I'm a total brother.
You are a criminal.
Me,
Criminal.
no wife, no me, no girl. So only me, I'm total only. So now station, Pangani station.
It's not Pangani police station. It's not Pangani police station. You are a criminal and criminals deserve to go to jail. You are going to jail.
What criminal?
You have hit someone. You have hit someone and you have run away. Tunakuja kukufunga tafadhali na nimekata simu tafadhali. Sawa? Prepare yourself for arrest tafadhali.
To copy this tune.
Iidle. Big bro, I work see.
والله في عن نبع الصوم عدى مقرتي
warshakadaas anaa ka dambeeyay baraka kugu sameeyay waxa kugu dhacay waa isku futay u jaray
To copy this tune.
Iidle. Big bro, I work see.
والله في عن نبع الصوم عدى مقرتي
warshakadaas anaa ka dambeeyay baraka kugu sameeyay waxa kugu dhacay waa isku futay u jaray la لكن أصاب لا صاحب الدروع عراقه
To copy this tune, dial 11.
إله بيج برو واي برانك عن كوسة ميناي محاوى وصفر تبع
وصفت معنا تقدر وحياة ولا ما تكرمنا طبعا أنا كمان يدري ولي ترى نقول بلادنا قال يجيكم سنة
همية برانك عن كوسة ميناي برانك أنا أسوق شو أها
ما يدري برانك حين قال لك ما تسمع أنا عدي لك دي أبينك والله ما يقول لي
وعقصل يقول لي بتقرأ
إيه
هوي أباء فاضي إبادة بركات هذا قصة هالصعب والله أسكت على والله بالله
أتعدي المقرشة
meel aan ka soo maraa waydiyo si aan wax baraaga ugu sameeyaan garow waa askariga soo watay sidaas baa baartay lambarka laga soo wacay markii 00 ah
والله وانا والله دي سي كوي داي ما كوشيغا والله waxaan bis wali ma masakisiin
war sorry saaxiibkii sorry ilo aad ku salaamay saaxiibkii baraaga ka gashay raal noqonayo
انا متاكد ما قال عاون ugu baaday
ya
انا مدة اسموين جا horle hooshada gashay
shaqadiisa hore ka bilaabay ha beel aan ka soo maraa garow wallahi nooc ku sameystaa sidoo ama ku fahmaa saa u dhahay kana keen markii dambe fayda la diyo
والله تفردي والله بين بوشيغا هذا كو ما نقولها
ay brother ka aad ku salaamay ilo abdullah
ay
ay brother baga ilo laba dhaartay aso istaagtay qosol ay u dishay